How to unblock Tabby card. So there are different reasons because of which your card might be blocked. It's very crucial to understand why your card was blocked. There are three main reasons because of which a card gets blocked on Tabby. The first one is overdue payments. Second one is expired ID in your profile. And the third one is security or fraud flags from Tabby's automated system. Firstly, identify which of these factors might be causing your Tabby card to be blocked. Once the reason is clear, then take action. Pay any overdue bills through the Tabby app. If your ID is expired, update your KYC through the app. For any other cases, you can contact Tabby support directly in app chat or email. Many users report automatic unblocking after a few weeks or months, but timelines may vary. Tabby's customer service is often automated and may not provide detailed timelines. So that is all for today. Thank you.